Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change your Google Chrome background and personalize your browser. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, make sure you have your Google Chrome browser open on your computer. Once you're in, look towards the lower right corner of your screen. You'll notice an option that says Customize Chrome. This is your gateway to personalizing how your browser looks and feels, so go ahead and click on it. After clicking Customize Chrome, a panel will appear with various customization options. From here, you'll want to click on Change Theme. This feature allows you to transform the entire look of your browser by selecting from a wide variety of pre-designed themes and backgrounds that Google has created. Now, once you click on Change Theme, you'll see several categories displayed on your screen. These categories contain different styles and themes ranging from landscapes and abstract art to minimalist designs and vibrant colors. Take a moment to browse through the options available. Each category offers unique backgrounds that can completely refresh your browsing experience. When you find a category that catches your eye, click on it to explore the specific themes within that group. You can preview how each background will look on your browser before making your final choice. Once you see one you like, simply click on it and it will immediately apply to your Chrome browser, giving you a fresh new look. But here's where it gets even better. If you want something truly personal, you're not limited to just the pre-made themes. You can actually use your own images as your Chrome background. To do this, look for the option that says Upload an image and click on it. This opens up endless possibilities for customization using your own photos or designs. After clicking Upload an image, your computer's file browser will open up. Navigate through your folders to find the image you want to use as your background. This could be a favorite photo, a piece of artwork, or anything else that you'd like to see every time you open a new tab. Once you've located your desired image, double-click on it to select it. The image will then be processed and applied as your new Google Chrome background instantly. You'll see it appear across your browser, making your Chrome experience completely unique to you. And that's it. You've successfully customized your Google Chrome background, whether you chose from Google's collection or uploaded your own personal image. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.